I may look real, I may sound real, but trust me, I am not. I am an AI avatar myself, created by Captain Fahad. Crafted through code, imagination, and intelligence, I am the result of what happens when innovation meets inspiration. You're not just looking at a simulation, you're witnessing the evolution of artificial intelligence.
So guys, let's get started. First of all, you have to open the browser and then open appjog.ai. I'm gonna put details in the description. Okay, then you have to click custom AI, and then you can upload your footage as well, and you can also make it from a webcam, but I would prefer going with the footage which you have uploaded. I'm
So
uploading 250, almost 3 minutes of the video, but you can actually give them like 30 seconds or 1 minute. The larger the better. And then you have to click all these four um, options, then click on my footage looks good. Okay, over here you have to give consent on using your footage. It's just because it's your footage and you're not using anyone else's footage. You can record it with the webcam as well, but I'm uploading my personal footage which I actually made it. Okay, to use on the job. Thank you. And then simply click submit, and it will be uploading the footage first and then will process. Okay, so it has uploaded the video. Click done, and then it will be processing over here, and the processing has been started. So once it's complete, then I'll show you the result. Okay, so it's done. Let's see how our avatar looks.
welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jog AI. Just type your script to get started.
Okay, that's actually not my voice, but let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so as this avatar is text to speech, so we'll be needing ChatGPT for it to write us a story or something for this AI to speak. So let's open the ChatGPT and write it down. Let's see. Give. Okay, wait. Okay, give me a script for an AI avatar to speak. Let's see what it's going to come up with. Okay, here is our speech. We're going to copy this and add some AI writer, their own inbuilt AI writer, and then we're going to generate a script. We're going to select our aspect ratio and then render. Okay, so it has been generated. Let's open up and see how the results are.
I was skeptical at first, but after using this product, I can confidently say it exceeded my expectations. The quality, ease of use, and customer support have all been amazing. Definitely worth the investment.
Oh, that's something unexpected. It's actually very good. Let's make another one. Okay, let me give this another script and let's see how it's going to go. I'm gonna give him another script to speak about, and let's see how it's going to go. So here it goes. It has generated. So let's play on and see how it.
Hello, human. I may look real, I may sound real, but trust me, I am not. I am an AI avatar myself, created by Captain Fahad. Crafted through code, imagination, and intelligence, I am the result of what happens when innovation meets inspiration. You're not just looking at a simulation, you're witnessing the evolution of artificial intelligence. In this world of zeros and ones, AI is no longer just science fiction. We learn, we adapt, we evolve.
Wow, this is amazing. So guys, as beautiful as this avatar is, but there's a bad news. As always with a free account, there is always a limitation. One limitation is that a watermark, but there's a solution for that. But there's another limitation which is like you can only limit it to make 30 seconds of video. It's not a bad news actually. You can make 30 seconds video of it, a total of 130 minutes, 1 minute and 30 seconds. As for now, they have given ultimate access for some time, but I don't think so it's going to last longer. So by the time you will be watching the video, it will be like limited to 2 minutes, but yeah, you can actually make it for like your faceless channel. Like, let's suppose you're making a video and you want to show your face for like 5 to 10 seconds that you're lip sync, then add another 30 seconds, and then you can take it to your editing software, and then you can rejoin over there, and it's actually very cool. Okay, so now let's move on to like the second con is like the watermark, and I'm going to show you how you can remove that watermark. First of all, you have to go over here in this website, remove watermark. I'm going to provide you the link of this website. Open the file which you have downloaded. Okay, select the file, and simply what you can do is do not do anything, just take this marker and drag it along the logo, and that's it. It's all hidden. Then you just apply it and click save. Here you can see the result. See, the watermark is gone.
I am not. I am an AI avatar myself, created by Captain Fahad.
So guys, this concludes my video, and I kept this video quite short and to the point and highlighted those type of features which is actually necessary to generate the video. You should go out and explore it yourself. And right now at the end of the video, I'll be posting the avatar itself so that you can actually have another perspective that how good it is. So guys, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe because there is another video which is coming tomorrow, and it's going to be mind-blowing. There's another website that creates AI avatar, a cartoon and real life character as well, so that you can use it on your YouTube faceless channel. So don't forget to subscribe. It's going to be wonderful, and it's also free. So now let's move on to the avatar. Avatar, take it from here.
Hey everyone, yes, it's me, Fahad's avatar. The video you're watching right now was made using Jog AI. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how you can create your very own avatar using this amazing tool. It's simple and opens up so many creative possibilities. If this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing to my channel. I share content all about AI tools, making it easy, fun, and effective for everyone. So guys, this is me, Captain Fahad. I am signing off.